Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Please consider subscribing. Also, give the content a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It goes a long way on helping the channel grow. And it kind of gives me an idea of what kind of content, you guys want to see. But anyway, guys, we are going to jump right into today's video. No wasting time. If you haven't seen my short yet, just hit the link at the top of the screen to check it out. Come back here. We'll take more of a detailed look at what I'm talking about. But anyway, guys, today I came home. 2 packages waiting for me. Let's get right into it. We'll start off with the first one. Now, these, if you don't know by the packaging by now, I just had to have them. For those who don't know, I am a huge, well, basically Air Jordan 5 is my favorite. And then I seen these, I wasn't too crazy about them, but then I seen the material on them, and dude, I just had to have them. I just had to check them out for myself, and they did not disappoint. But here we have it, guys, the Air Jordan 5 DJ Khaled, we the best. Now the shoe is remarkable, dude. The leather, the color, the overall, I'm gonna give you guys a detailed look at this because I'm as hyped as you are right now. But yeah, man, these are pretty sweet, to say the least. Really excited. The colors just work. Yeah, they come with different laces, I believe. But like I said, we're gonna get into those detailed looks on the review. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, but that is, shoe number 1. We did come home to 2 pairs of shoes. So let's dive in to that. Here we have it. You guys already know. I'm sure you're familiar. You love sneakers. I'm sure you're familiar with this box. I am so excited about this sneaker. Nike, you really disappointed me, man. For those that don't know, Nike, I got them. I got, they got them. I won them. Took like 2 weeks to get anybody on the phone. Basically, they stole my package and they really didn't give 2 craps about it. They gave me my money back, which I did not want. I obviously wanted the shoe, but I had to go and get the shoe myself. And here you have it, the Air Jordan 1. Chicago, lost and found, whatever you want to call it. But not only is this a beautiful piece of material, piece of shoe, it's fire, man. I'm gonna give you guys a detailed review of this too. I don't care I'm late, but I showed up to the party. You know what I'm saying? I told you things are gonna be running a little bit more different, here on the channel. So if I were you, I would stay tuned to the channel. We have 2 of the dopest sneakers that dropped last year to review, and I just want to thank you guys. Truly appreciate you guys for tuning in, checking me out day in, day out. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the son of some man, and we out, guys. Peace.